Well, good morning. William Wims, Philippines. Hope you're having a good day. It is 2:35 Thursday, April 3rd, 2025 in the PM. I'm about to go to bed. Hope you've had a good day. Mine's been longer than what I wanted it to be. Got a lot of other stuff done, but some of what I did want. Got some work over there. Still need to putty, but the floor is pretty much done. And I vacuumed there all the way to the front door. And yeah, I had to swap bags on the vacuum. Yeah. And I'm about a quarter into the second one. Well, second one on this job, which has been quite interesting. I never thought carpet could hold that much. And I got the extra bit of carpet in the closet in the hallway out, and most of the tile there. Still got tile to go in other spots. But the kill stuff is down. I got a bit of primer I'm going to put on it. And then I can paint. But I still got to do the little mudding. Didn't get that far. But I did have a visitor. Statistical market analysis. Real estate marketer guy come by and gave me this. So, yay. I got paperwork to read because that's exactly what I want to do all day is not or night not. I don't like reading paperwork. My eyes are horrible now. Uh, the more I do here, the better my price will be. That's the good part. The horrible thing is, the more I do here, the tireder I'm getting. But I am doing it. So, yay. Problem is, I'm sore. Uh, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a blessed day out there. Was caught a couple of videos. One talking about the shoddy workmanship and undergrade steel rebar from China in the China building that collapsed in Bangkok. Yeah. When it comes to building, quite honestly, do it yourself. Do it with companies that are in your country. At least then, if you do end up with them, shortchanging you and doing shoddy work, most likely you can get them and actually have an accountability, hold them accountable for their actions. Doesn't mean they ain't going to go out of bank, hit a bankrupt and run away that way. But yeah, kind of like whack-a-mole. They'll show up somewhere else doing it again, but eventually, hopefully, they get a bad enough reputation that they can't do business anymore. International, I guess they might have a way to take and get them, but that's a whole lot more work, I guess. It would be better, like I say, to just do business with people in your own country. But then I caught a video of a girl that's going through uh, easement problems. I forget her name. I'm tired. I was watching that while I was eating before I got on here. Uh, anyway, she has 3 people she's having to deal with easements on going to the main road. And the 3-ring circus that is there in the Philippines. Siquijor Island, I think. I think that's right. I'm tired. I'm quite honestly, I got a headache. Uh, worked hard enough, my head's blood pressure's up. So, yeah. But I was productive. Also, been snotting up a bunch of dust. Oh my God. But my car, it got, we had a light mist last night, and I went out there and was moving something outside and looked at my car. I had spots on it again this morning. I just washed it yesterday. It dusted and rained last night. Today it's actually raining outside, so most likely it's gonna wash away most of that. But God, the dust, it's killing me in here, and that's not counting what's outside. I'm having to deal with my own dust storm. It is what it is. But I got most of it out. Like I say, I've already got a quarter of a bag on the second one. And I can tell you, it started getting pretty thick on that first one. I actually shook it and tilted it back and shook it real good to get the stuff to shift back in the bag so I can get some more in there. Might be why I needed to have to go over most of it again. But my floor is pretty clean, and well, can't see it, but I got the bathroom lights off. But the floor in there has actually been, I vacuumed, like I say, I vacuumed from that room. I even vacuumed in here on this carpet trying to get most of the dirt that I could get up all the way through, around and out. Got the kitchen and the part of the garage even. And then all out to the front door and right there on the front porch. Because, well, I got tired of dragging dirt in and dragging dirt out and having pretty much just sandstorm in here. Of course, open the doors up and there it comes again. So, the Philippines don't have this. Well, I don't know. I hope they ain't got this much dust. If they do, it's probably only during times when it's high and dry, which is a lot less often than around here because it's always high and dry here. Uh, I was looking at the rain so far for the year. First 3 months are done, and we had less than an inch of rain in 3 months. Yeah, that's rough. I hope it keeps doing this all night and we end up with an inch would be nice over the day. But hey, I'll take a quarter inch and be happy. We need it. High plains desert. We always need it. Still, nose is itchy. That and my neck and lower back are hurting. Anyway, I did see that video about her having problems with her neighbors on getting the right of way, and her saying things about how hard it is, The Filipino people are loving people, but they change when there's money involved. Yeah, pretty much everybody does. Uh, question is, will they throw you out of building for it? Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get back in there tonight when I wake up. All I know is I'm tired. I got a bunch done today that, you know, bits, pieces. I seem to get like a bit here, a bit there, a bit there, a bit there, and eventually something gets done, but I never get a whole lot on one thing. But I actually did get vacuumed all the way out the door. So I did get one thing done today, vacuuming, as much as I could get. Uh, Such fun. I really want a small place. I don't want to have to do a lot of vacuuming. A quick dusting and size of this room would make me happy. If I could figure out how to get everything in here, I would. That's why I'm thinking about that tricycle over there. Oh, sorry. I'm turning it into a camper. Not even this big. uh, anyway, I'm still working on it. Uh, Hopefully, I'll get enough done over the next month that I can actually get it up on market sometime in May, early on the bigger market instead of just for sale by owner, but actually put it up on the market and get more people to see it instead of just those that drive by. Had a couple of those. They don't really want to give much. It is what it is. But then again, it's very few people. So I'll try to get some extra stuff done, paint job on the inside, and as much of the floor as I can over the next month and a half, and hopefully be able to sell it real quick. We'll see. If not, yeah, it is what it is. One way or another, I'm ready to get out of here. Anyway, uh, great day or greater day. Crunch. Another one commented over the last few on different things. Yeah, my car just should. I wouldn't even try to wash me on it yesterday before I got it washed. I'd have just said bury me because it had that much dirt on it. It had to go through the washer twice to get clean. That's bad. And then it rained again or dusted again, whatever you want to call it. It mudded again last night, and I got it on there. And well, it's raining today, so hopefully it washes it. Yeah, it's a good little car. Got 100 coming up on 49,000, 149. Just shy of it. So, yay. It's been a good car. I'm going to call it a day, folks. I hope you've had a blessed one. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Come along for the ride, and oh yeah, more food. Enjoy my insanities and the trip to the Philippines. Come along for it if you want to, or don't. Your choice. Everybody gets to make a choosy. We choose what we do with our lives. The nightmare's the consequence. Go ahead, dance in the middle of the road. Look out for bumpers. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Later blessings, bye bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.